Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Wi-Fi is not working properly after updating your Windows 10, usually after a major feature update. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in network reset. Best result should come back with network reset listed directly above system settings. Go ahead and left click on that. So this will remove then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. So two things: make sure if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, as in the case of you watching this video, that you have your Wi-Fi key nearby, because when we restart our computer after selecting this reset now button, it's going to reset your Wi-Fi settings, so you're going to have to enter back in your credentials. So make sure you have that nearby. And then also you want to save and close out of any open programs or applications as well before selecting reset, because you're going to have 5 minutes to restart your computer before it's automatically restarted. So just go ahead and make sure that's taken care of, both of those topics, and then select reset now, select yes, and then you will be signed out within 5 minutes. I'm just going to do it manually here, and I'm just going to right click on the start button, select shutdown and sign out. I'm just going to restart. You could do a keyboard shortcut, you could open up the start menu. There's 20 different ways on how to restart your computer, but you guys just saw how I did it. Pretty straightforward. I mean, you could just shut down and then turn it back on too. I mean, that's achieves the same result. Alright guys, so you can see it asked, do you want to allow your PCs to be discoverable by other PCs on the network? You can if you want, otherwise I'm just going to select no. You might select yes if you are sharing folders, printers, other devices, that kind of thing, but that's really not part of this tutorial. It just was more about resetting our Wi-Fi settings. So hopefully this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.